The woman made her decision. Both people and God have been wrapped, and there is no point in leaving from now on. Neither a person she can go to nor a tree to which she can rest on her back. A black-walled and extinct woman drifting in the dark. It is no longer different from a corpse. The woman stood up with difficulty, saying Bismillah. One hand is on the blackened stone, which is placed around the well. One hand is on the waist. As she remembered something, she puts her face back to the sky and starts praying. She brings her talent and brings her hands to her face. One more pain before her hands reach her face. The woman is screaming. The sky screams as well. Taking her hands to her groin, she leaned against the stones of the well, looks in the well after a few breaths. Earth, sky, mountain, stone is dark. She was going to get dark in a few minutes. As soon as she puts one foot on the stone, with the support of the stones, the baby's water bag bursts. The woman cries so much that the mountain begs. And on a dark night, at the head of the dark well, are puppies that open their eyes to a black future. What is the name of the real girl? Is there anyone more unfortunate in the world than bastards? There are moments in the history of societies, and when each individual falls into a bastard state, while some of them leave deep scars, in some others they pass their heart like a hot wind. Societies that regard being human as a virtue do not think that bastards are the product of the sins of society for some reason. Accounting of these people with their conscience does not end from their first birth until their death. This boneless community, created by society, act as a bomb in every society they live in. Tortured lives, starting from childhood, led them to a completely different dream world, while their loss and repulsion shrink them. They were raped by the devil during that dream period. Our unbearable desires, which we call Satan, capture every individual in the weakest moment, crash, breaks down and takes over after destroying all of himself. Every individual who has been delivered starts to curse the day he was born and resume lives. Why he could only do evil for the struggle for life. Revenge becomes his way of life when he submits himself. Now any conscious or unconscious move is to crush, destroy, drag on the floor. We are so low that we will put our sins on the devil. When we wear masks on our most cheeky state, now we are okay. Do you really know your bastards? Do you?
I've worked in construction for 40 years. I am, and always will be, Leuna.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LaUna Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LaUna Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
artist. I just started my training, and I am Liuna.